Namaste, I'm Kaliana and welcome to your neck and shoulder release yoga class. Let's get started sitting in butterfly pose, bottoms of the feet together, knees are open, you can grab onto ankles and just find yourself in a long spine. Shoulders down away from the ears, eyes closed. Feel the breath as it flows in and out of the body. Inhale, sweep the hands up and over towards the left knee. Right hand to left knee, left hand back behind you like a kickstand. Gaze off the back left shoulder for a gentle spinal twist. Go as far as you can today without feeling too much pain or pressure. Just an ease in the breath to lengthen the spine. Inhale back through center. Exhale, change sides. Left hand to right knee, right hand back behind you. Gaze off the right back shoulder. Shoulders are melting away from the ears. Find your spine long. Inhale back through center for a forward fold. Your chance to grab onto the ankles however which way feels right for you. I'm going to wrap them under my ankles and let my heart guide downward towards the feet. Let the head hang. If you'd like, release those hands. Let your palms lift and let your spine lengthen. There's also a lot of stretching going on in the hips. So just allow yourself to deepen the breath in this challenging pose. You're only here for a few moments. One more deep breath as you exhale the fingertips a little bit more forward in the stretch, and then inhale, sitting up tall. We're going to make our way onto our hands and knees, tabletop position, a few rounds of cat-cow, linking breath and movement. Inhale, drop the chest, lift the chin. Exhale, curl the spine, tuck the chin. Fingers splay wide. Feel the full palm and hand, shins on the yoga mat, grounded. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, curl and tuck. Take as many rounds as you need for these cat and cows to feel good in your neck and shoulders. Deepen your breath. Let the oxygen do the work as it flows throughout the body. Let yourself organically move, eyes closed, no judgment, wiggling right or left, up and down, loosening up the joints. Exhale, come back through center, neutral spine. Inhale, lift the right hand and thread it all the way in between the left palm and left knee. So you're coming all the way down onto the right shoulder and the right cheek. You can wrap your left arm behind your back if that feels good for you, or just keep your hand planted and rooted into the ground. Hips are high off the heels. Breathe into the shoulder stretch. Twisting, rinsing, and releasing. One more deep breath. Untwist, unwind, and make your way onto the opposite side. So right arm lifts, exhale down. Inhale, lift the left hand and thread it through to the opposite side. So all the way up and under the right hand, in between the knee and hand. Come all the way onto the left cheek and left shoulder. You put as much pressure as you need, counterbalancing with that right hand. Wrapping the right hand behind your back, again, if that's in your practice today. Let all that negativity roll off your shoulders and breathe in the good as you feel this lengthen and stretch. Inhale, unthread the needle and extend your way back into child's pose. Send your hips back towards the heels, reach your arms forward, let the forehead kiss the mat. One inhale, one exhale. Now lift your hips high into downward facing dog. Splay the fingers wide, press the heels towards the mat. Shake out the head as you gaze between the legs. Shake your head no, shake your head yes. Shoulders press away from the ears. Inhale, lift your right foot up to the sky and then stretch it forward so the right foot is down for Warrior A. Left heel is rooted back behind you, knee is in line with the heel in front of you. Clasp your hands behind your low back. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, dive forward inside towards the right knee, shin, foot. Wherever you can find a gaze, continue to pull the arms away from the low back and just go as far as you need to find your edge. It's not going to look exactly like my posture, so just go where you can feel enough of a challenge and breathe. Release the hand bind and walk your hands towards the center of the legs, forward, wide-legged fold. Pull the heart in between the legs. You can grab onto the ankles if that feels right for you. Now yoga walk your way towards the back of the mat. Around the left foot, your hands surround, and then inch that foot back behind you. Lift your heart and your arms. Warrior A on the left side. We'll do the same as we did before. So just reach back behind your low back with your hands. Clasp them. Inhale, lift from the chest. Exhale, forward fold towards that front leg, stretching out the shoulders. Continue to pull the hands away from the low back. Deepen your breath. Feeling the earth grounding beneath both feet. Release the hand bind. And now bring both feet to the back of the yoga mat. So walk the right foot up to meet the left in a forward standing fold. Slight bend in the knees. Grab opposite elbows if you'd like, and just let the head hang. Slight separation between the feet. Feel the hamstrings lengthening. Your head falls towards the earth. Gentle sway from side to side. You're still very much aware of your breath. Take a large step out to the side so your legs come into a wide V once again. This time you'll walk the hands off to the right foot. So left hand to right foot, sweep the right arm up towards the sky. Another shoulder twist. Lengthen as far as you can go. Remember, you know what you're capable of today. Just breathe and pay attention. Walk the hands to the opposite foot, right hand to left foot, left arm up and extends in the twist. Exhale, release back through center. Let the head hang as you slowly roll up one vertebrae at a time. Let your head come up last and find an inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Let the shoulders drop away from the ears and shake it out. Awesome. Make your way into any comfortable seated position. You can go onto the knees or come all the way into seated meditation, legs folded in front of you. Spine is long no matter which leg position you choose. Inhale the shoulders up towards the ears, and exhale, let them drop. From there, hands to the knees. Inhale, open up the throat, the chest. Let the head fall back. Don't be afraid to open up the shoulder blades. Deepen your inhale and exhale. Come back through center. Tuck the chin gently. Find that length in the spine as you allow the oxygen to flow up and down the spinal cord. Inhale back through center. Hands at heart center. Exhale. Thank you so much for practicing yoga with me today. My name is Kaliana. Don't forget to click subscribe, and I'll see you in the next yoga video.